my YouTube channel, guys. This is Nida Ahmed and I'm back with yet another video for all of you. And in today's video we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. And also, if you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? अब चलते हैं हम अपने tutorial की तरफ, so keep on watching. So let's start with the brows, and for that I'm going to be going in with the Sofwanah Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. It's a very good pencil, and I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows using this. And I actually want to go for like a very natural finish and not those heavy Instagram brows. So anyways, this is how it looks, and I did the other one off camera. Now I'm going to go in with this Plouise Base Pro. This is in the shade Rumour 2. This is one of my favorite eye primers. I'm going to first of all clean up my brows like from the bottom, and then using dabbing motions I'm going to apply the primer on the rest of the eye, and I'm going to blend out only the edges. After that I'm going to go ahead with this Glam palette. This is called the Strawberry Frappe. You're going to be using these colors, and the first color that I'm going in, I'm just going to be taking my blending brush and I'm going to apply it on my outer edge of the eye, and I'll bring it up to the crease, and I'm going to just blend, and I'm going to bring it to my inner eye as well. You guys can see how I'm doing it. So guys, once that is done, I'm going to go ahead with the second shade, and I'm going to apply it on the outer edge of my eye, and I'm going to take it only till my crease and also just till the outer edge, like where my eye socket ends. And after that I'm going to blend it a little bit above the crease, just to add a little bit of dimension and a transition from the first shade to this second shade. And then using the blending brush, I'm just going to blend both the shades together so that they look as if, you know, they've transitioned into each other and I don't see any unblended line. Now I'm taking black eyeshadow and drawing a liner, like a smudged liner actually, and I'm not taking it just like all the way till my inner eye corner, but yeah, that's how it's gonna look like. And I'm just gonna smudge it out with some bronze shimmer on the lid part. And after that I'm going to go ahead with this L.A.S.H.E.S. Cosmetics shimmer. This is in the shade Dubai. I have no idea what brand this is, used it for the first time, but guys, look at how beautiful this eyeshadow is. In love. I just wanted to create a look using this eyeshadow because it was calling out for me. Now quickly I'm going to go off camera and do the other eye, and it is done. Ta-da-da. Now I'm just going to prep my under eye area with the same eye primer so that I can do my under eye makeup. And for that I'm going to start off with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it very close to my waterline, and after that I'm going to smudge that black eyeshadow out with the pink shade that I used on my lid, like the second shade that I used. So yeah, I'm just going to smudge it out. Once that's done, we're going to take this glitter liner by Althea, and I'm just going to be applying it below my eyes, like you guys can see in this, and also in my inner corner, and this is how it's going to look. Time to pop on some lashes. These are the Cashmere Collection lashes by the brand L.A.S.H.E.S., and guys, their lashes are really nice. To check them out. After that I'm going to use this Handmade with Love and Care kajal. I'm just going to be applying it in my waterline. You guys can see how amazing this kajal looks. Once that's done, I'm moving on with this Fourth Ray coconut face milk, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my face, and I'm going to massage it in. Fourth Ray is a sister company of ColourPop. You guys need to try out their face milks. They're really good. Time for primer. For that I'm going to go ahead with this Beautify by Amna Perfect Primer, applying it on my T-zone and also on my cheeks where I have some pores. Then we're going to go ahead with this Elegant Pro Concealer. Just going to apply all of it around the area where I have discoloration, and then I'm going to blend it out using my blender. Time to use this foundation. This is by Breena Beauty Healthy Glow, and I'm going to be using the shade 3.0, which is slightly darker on me, but I think it eventually worked out. I'm going to be using a brush to blend this side. You guys will see how beautifully it blended out, and it looks like my own skin, but just more natural and more healthy, more glowy. The name is like perfect, Healthy Glow. And I'm going to be using a blender on the other side. I kind of liked the brush side better because I feel like that the blender soaked in a lot of product. Going in with these Althea concealers. Okay guys, normally I don't go this light. I just use one or maximum 2 tones lighter to me. So first of all I'm just dotting everything in its place, and then after that I'm going to be blending it out using a blender. Just make sure that everything is well blended and you see no harsh lines. Time to contour my face. Gonna be using this Tarte Mazzillion Clay bronzer, but this is actually a perfect shade for contouring, so I'm just gonna be contouring using it, and gonna quickly contour the rest of my face off camera. Then going in with the Ciate London bronzer, and I'm going to soften up the contour using this bronzer. This is how my face looks up till now. Then using this Lancome blush. This is such a beautiful color. Going ahead with this Pixie blush next, and I'm going to be applying this one on the apple of my cheeks because it has glow to it. So it's going to add a little bit of glow and plumpiness to my cheeks. Using this WetnWild highlighter, and you guys look at how beautiful this highlighter is, and I'm going to be applying this on my face. Actually, it has been such a long time that I've owned this highlighter, but I've rarely used it, so I thought why not to use it today. Look at the glow. Time to set everything in place using this Milani Make It Last setting spray. Gonna spray it all over my face and then gonna dry it out. Time for the lips. Now I'm going to be outlining my lips using this lip liner by Gerard Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Night Shift. If you guys have not used their lip liners, then you guys are seriously missing out. They have the best lip liners out there. So once I've outlined them, then I'm going to go ahead with my lipstick. And for that, I'm going to be using this Sofwanah Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Stellar. Guys, this formula is so good. Honestly, I was shook. They have some amazing lipsticks. I have 2 shades by them and I really like them. The lipstick looks so beautiful. I'm going to top it off with some lip gloss. This one is by Fenty Beauty. And even like without the gloss, it looked beautiful. But I just wanted to add some gloss. And this is how it looks. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. But that's not all, guys, because now I'm going to quickly open up my hair, change some clothes, wear some jewelry, and I'll be right back. Ta-da! Now I'm fully ready and fully dressed up to go absolutely nowhere because you guys know why. But anyways, I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did a tutorial after a very long time and it actually felt really good. So you let me know what you guys think about it, and I will be doing more inshallah very soon. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and do not forget to hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Apna bahut khayal rakhein. Allah Hafiz. Love you all. Bye.